It's great to see you again. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new, my name is Martha. Welcome. And if you're back, well, thank you so much for your support. Today's video is going to be about my nails. So whenever I do my nails, I do not go do my nails professionally. I am retired and I cannot be spending $70 or $50 or $60 every time I want to get my nails done. But the thing is that every time I do my own nails, the nail polish does not stay on. For some reason, my nails do not hold the nail polish, and the very next day they will be peeling and chipping already, and it's very frustrating. So I don't know if it is my nails, if it is the texture of my nails. I don't know what it is, but the nail polish does not stay. I've tried with a base coat, I've tried with a top coat, I've tried with both a base coat, the nail polish, and a top coat. It just will not stay on. I'm destined to not ever wear any nail polish unless I go out somewhere and I paint them, and then it doesn't matter if it peels off the next day. But I came across this at Walgreens, and it's by Diva, and it's glazed semi-cured nails, gel strong up to 14 days. This is the first one that I bought, and there are 32 semi-cured gel nail strips. I think you could see that. I made a little video of how I took these off. I purchased this, and it's by Diva's also, Red Therapy Remove Nail Remover. So it brings 2 bottles, and I used this to remove the nails, and I made a little clip of that when I did it. And then I bought a second set of the semi-cured gel nails in this color, which is the ones that I'm wearing here, which I really like. And there are 32 here also. And so the trick to this is that you are going to pick the size that you need for the nail. And I'll just show you a little example here. So you peel one of those off depending on the size of your nail, and you leave the top film on it, and you squeeze the polish on, and then you go ahead and you peel the little film off, you cut it to size, and you put it under this mini LED lamp, which I also purchased at Walgreens. And none of this was super expensive, you guys. I think this was like 12 something, and you only purchased this one time. The nail sets are also like 12 something, and there are 32 of them. So you have for 3 manicures. And so I am going to buy another color, which I saw, which was like a darker color, and for the next time I do my nails. But I have like 60 manicures there in those 2 boxes, and when I purchase the other one, it'll be 90 manicures. It lasted past 2 weeks. I kid you not. Like I said, I have a little video of it, and I'll show you. The only reason that I had to redo my nails was because they started to grow out, and you could see like there was a space in between the cuticle and the actual polish. So with this, and I just dropped them. With this, you just put a little drop of this in right where the cuticle is, and then it goes through, and then with a little like nail stick, it just came off very easily. I will show you in the video. And so I think this is a great product. I'm really happy with it. Now I can have my nails done for 2 weeks at least, and I don't have to worry about them. When you apply the polish on, you put it under the LED lamp. I think it's for like 90 seconds. It goes off by itself, and that's it. And it's hardened, and it's shiny, and it's beautiful. So I'm gonna show you a little clip of how I did that. I'm praying for all the people affected by the hurricanes. I am in Miami, so we just felt a little bit of it, not a whole lot, but we've been through some very strong hurricanes in the past. And I know how devastating and hard that is. So prayers go out to all the people affected by these hurricanes, and also helping by donating if you can. And so Thanks again, and I will see you soon. I have a video coming up on a Christmas craft that I'm going to do, and I'm gonna do it early because I know the items for Christmas, they come in and go out really fast, and in case you like it, so you are able to buy the things and make it yourself. So I will see you in my next video. Take good care. Until next time, guys. Bye. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna do a voiceover here. These are the two colors. I will be removing the lighter color and applying this other color that I got. I love it. They're very pretty. And here is how the other ones were after 2 weeks. You can see they're growing out. So I will be removing the old strips with this product right here. And then when I apply the new nail strips, I will be using this little LED lamp to cure the strips. Again, here is what the old polish looked like. I love the color. And see, this is how they come in these little strips. Now I am going to use the drops, and then I will use a little cuticle stick to just slowly remove the old polish, as I'm doing here. It really was not hard at all. It came off pretty easy, as you can see. And off they go. And I'm gonna be doing that to all the nails. And then I'm gonna show you how I apply the new gel strips. So as the liquid works and it seeps into the bottom of the other polish, you just work the little cuticle strip, all pushing the old polish off. And that's it. Let's go on to the other fingers. I'll just show you a couple of them so you can see that it's not hard at all. I really do think this is a great product, and I plan to continue using it. I'm very happy with it so far. And like I said, this is my second time that I'm going to be applying the gel strips. Now I'm going to start with the new strips. Look how pretty that color is. I love it. And here is the box it came in, the semi-cured polished strips. And I had to move my place where I was sitting because I had to have a place where I could plug in the little LED lamp. And so I am going to now use a small pair of scissors to cut the actual strip that goes to the correct size of the finger that I'm gonna be painting. And it comes with a film on both sides. You're going to lift the film that is to the bottom of the strip because that's the part that's sticky, and you're going to place it over the actual nail of your finger. And there's gonna be another strip on top so that it doesn't get, so it's not sticky. You can go ahead and smooth out the strip and then remove the film like I just did. And then I use the scissors, a small pair of scissors. I turn my finger around so I could see where my nail is because I don't want to cut my actual nail. And then I cut the actual excess of the strip. And then I'm going to use the cuticle stick one more time so that I can make sure that I tuck in the gel strip all around the sides of my nail. After I've done doing that, I'm just going to turn on the little lamp and just place my finger under it. It will turn off on its own once that the time it has completed, and you will see how it finishes curing, and it'll be hard and it'll be shiny and it'll be very nice. And one thing that I did do, which it doesn't say that you have to do this, but after I was finished, I did add one coat of top coat, and that is totally optional. You can do that or not, but I did do that. After I finished curing the nail, I filed it down a little bit, and that's it. And I'm gonna show you a couple more so you can see how I do it. So I think next time that I do them, I am going to just apply all the nail strips on and then put my hand under the LED light all at once, instead of doing one nail at a time as I'm doing here, just because I wanted to show you how it was done. But if you guys struggle with weak nails, like, you know, brittle nails like I do, nails that don't hold the paint, then I highly recommend this. I feel like my nails are getting longer because this gel coat protects them and it helps them not to break. So I'm really enjoying it. I hope that it's something that maybe you will want to try. Like I said, it's easily accessible at Walgreens and it's not expensive at all. These are not like artificial nails, you guys. These are semi-cured gel strips. I've tried the artificial nails before and they've actually weakened my nail, and this has not happened with this. So if you've tried the Dashing Diva gel strips, I'd like to hear what you have to think about them. Let me know in the comments below. So anyway, I hope that you will join me for my next video. It's gonna be what I think is gonna be a super cute Christmas DIY. It's going to be easy to make and affordable, and I hope that you will join me for that. Thanks for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope it's something that you might be able to use. So until next time, you take care. Goodbye, guys.